Hi, my name is Boris Milatovic and I work for Aspire Technology as a network support specialist. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to our proactive operation and maintenance. Network operators have a large amount of network incidents across the different domains, requiring significant resources for network support. Many of these incidents happen because no one was able to act on the initial symptoms and small deviations to the norm. Aspire Proactive O&M complements the first and second line operations activities within an operator. Our primary focus is to detect any event which has the potential to result in a service outage and provide a response aimed at preventing the actual outage from occurring. Our new operation model is using artificial intelligence for early detection of degradations and proven automated actions for resolution. With our automated health checks and audits, we are also able to detect optimization opportunities and follow up on those with network engineering and optimization teams. We offer our proactive O&M customers significant reduction on race incident due to early fault detection, reduction in escalations and emergency incident, less customer complaints, and improved network performance. If you are interested in finding out more details, please make sure to subscribe to Aspire Technology and talk to our network support specialist. Thanks for watching our video and see you soon.